So, hello. Today it's an exciting day because I have another unboxing to do. I received the last package. I didn't order that one, so I contacted the seller. They refunded the money back to me, so I purchased the item again. This time I found it even cheaper than the last one. So now I just got it today. I went to look for it, and now I'm gonna try it to see how it works, because my room is very small and sometimes it's really hard to breathe now during summer. So I'm gonna open this baby right here. They just came in today, and I'm gonna try it out. This is an air cooler. It's not like an AC or something like that. This is supposed to it's supposed to evaporate air, and yes, so let's just open this thing. Yeah, let me open this. Here it is. So since my room, it's actually very small, it has the instructions here. Here are the instructions. So this is gonna help my room to get in a nicer temperature, supposedly. So I'm gonna try this thing out right now, and if it really works, I will let you know, because it's hard during summer. What I'm gonna do is that I'm just gonna put some water. Yeah, maybe I'll take it from the refrigerator, the water, yes, and I'm gonna put it inside, and then it should make the temperature in my room nicer. So yeah, I cannot wait. Yes, this is where the water is supposed to go. This is the cable that comes with it. These are the filters. I don't know if you can see them well, but it had filters in here. So yeah, I cannot wait to try this on and see how it goes. Yep, it's gonna be so exciting. I really hope it works, because I'm gonna be screwed. I was looking at my last video, and I already know what I'm lacking for. I mean, some of the stuff, not everything. If someone can right there give me some advice, I could really use that. Maybe maybe not, but yeah, it's a learning process so far. Editing, whatever you say that word, it's been really fun. I really have enjoyed it. It makes me feel again like I can be more not productive, but artistic, creative. That's the word I was looking for. So yeah, I'm being more creative lately, and I am really enjoying this. So yeah, hopefully I'm gonna continue doing this for longer. I'm really bad at, like following something, but I'm gonna try to continue doing this, because I understand that this is something that I have always wanted to do. So yeah, I'm gonna continue doing this for a longer time. So Bye. Bye. I cannot talk. I'm really excited because I'm gonna get to do something that I do always enjoy. Right now the house is a complete mess. I'm cleaning and I'm doing a lot of things, but one of them is that actually I got all the things that I needed between yesterday and today, because I'm actually doing my brother's room here right now. Yes, I'm gonna start painting his room, and I'm gonna do like a whole makeover just to have him have a very little nice place, because I think he deserves that. So I got a few things. I'm gonna show what I got. First, let's see. I have it all together. Excuse the mess, honestly. I'm gonna clean later. But yeah, this is the first thing that I got. This is the painting. This is a color called In the Navy. I wanted this color because I thought it was gonna be like more masculine color. I have a little like a stand. It's a stand from IKEA. I also got this for him so he can take it to work with him. And I got pillows. I got some bed sheets. Those are very beautiful. I got the covers. These are covers for the pillows. I got some paper organizers, this, and also this one right here. I don't know if that's one is broken. I don't know. I hope not. Well, this is another organizer. No, I mean this is another pillowcase protector thing. This is a curtain that I had for him. I got this from IKEA as well. I got this for the window because I have something in spare to work by. Yeah, the stand I got it in black. And the stand I got it in black. I call it a nightstand, but it's not a nightstand actually. I got mirrors. They're right here. I got 4 of them. I'm planning to do something with them. And this is another pillow. I think that's all I got for his room. So yeah, I mean right now I'm gonna start working on that. I'm gonna be doing laundry, so I'm gonna be very busy. And I just wanted to say that those things that I got were not actually not that expensive. I'm doing this whole thing like in a budget, and let's see how it turns out at the end. I am very sure that it's gonna look just awesome. So yeah, I'm gonna start working on that right now very quick. I'm gonna start painting. Oh, and also yeah, like this is the room right now that I'm gonna work in. This is his room. There is a mess going on, a mask. Yeah. This is where he sleeps. I don't know how that happened, but yeah. This is his place. I'm gonna try to make it as pretty as possible for him. So yeah. I mean, stay tuned and let's see how it turns out. Yes.
but I've been really talking that shit now. Took a big hit, like now I need to sit down. Fucking up the ops on switch now. I don't even talk to the bitch now. Must have been something I did. Wow, I don't give a fuck, girl. It's really how I get down. Got it on your face, what you get now. Every summer is a hot girl summer. Need another and I don't need a lover. Gotta push up but she don't need a push up. She wanna fuck, I just wanna hook up. Got her on the phone hoping she don't look up. Sucking on my left nut, baby that's a good one. I've been doing this all night.